Question number 6. Tammy is asking, how to use your pictures at a vendor event? Vendor events differ in their setup from a small one-table vendor event to a huge full booth vendor event. And you are decorating your place, your stand, depending on the size of the event. You will be using the editorial pictures for decoration. If you do not have the editorial pictures in sense as described in the previous video, you are using the group lifestyle pictures to decorate your stand. You want to use group lifestyle pictures because you want to show the social proof. There's a group of people who love your products and they are bonding together, all wearing your products. So imagine that you are at a small vendor event. You will have one table. At this event, you would invest into an X banner with a lifestyle picture or editorial picture of your brand, the logo of your brand, the slogan of your brand, the barcode with your contact details, and the contact details of your brand written out in Word. On your table, you will have several sock dummies presenting your products. In the center, I would keep the center free for the price lists and for contact information folders. And then on another side, you would have a tray in black, for example, with your products neatly exposed in this tray. And when you're exposing your products in the tray, you remove the outside plastic bag to show the luxury product to your clients without this plastic bag. We have been talking about sourcing a gift box, a black cube where 4 pairs of socks fit in. So instead of this black tray, you can have 1/3 of a table filled with these open gift cubes where people can see the product inside. And the visitors of the show can instantly purchase the cube. Once they've seen it, they liked it, and they've purchased the whole cube. So this is how I suggest to use your pictures and to do layout on the small vendor show. For a large vendor show, you will need to think about it because it all depends really on what space you have there and how the booth looks like. It differs really from show to show, so you will need to think about it the moment that you know how the whole booth looks like. In any way, you will be using your editorial pictures or your group lifestyle pictures to decorate your booth at the vendor show.